Hello friends, this is Adrika Budori from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn how to add and delete data from a dictionary. So as you can see, I have a dictionary in which I have a key called name, age, and class. Okay, so I have three keys and their values here. So if I want to add something to this dictionary, so how can I add? So here, what I have to do is we have to write D, that's the name of our dictionary, and then we will put square brackets. Okay, and inside these square brackets I will put a new key name which is not in my dictionary. So let's suppose fave color. Okay, and after this we will put equal to, and then we will give the value to our key. Okay, our new key. So let's say purple. Okay, now as you can see here, I have given a new key and a new value here. So now if I'll run it, let me comment this out. Okay, so if I run it, you'll see nothing, right? So let me print my dictionary here, print D. See, here fav color is added to my dictionary now. So this is how we add data to our dictionary. We first have to give the name of the dictionary, then inside square brackets we have to give the new name of the key, and then after putting equal to we have to give the value. Okay, now let's see how to delete data from a dictionary. So if you remember guys, we used to delete data from a list like this, right? Let me show you. See, here 5 has been deleted. So we used l.pop. So we can use pop method with dictionary as well. So here what we have to do is first write the dictionary name and then dot pop. Okay, and here we will give the key name. Okay, so let key name to be class. Okay, so here, and then let's print the dictionary. Okay, see, class has been deleted from my dictionary. Okay, so what we have to do is we used to pass the indexing in list, but in dictionaries we have to pass the key names. Okay, now here if I store it in a variable x and print the type of x, and let's print x as well. Okay, see, you can see the x has the value 9, which is the class, is the value of our key class, right? And here in type it is giving int because 9 is an integer, that's why it is passing 9. Okay, now this is how we delete data from a dictionary. But as you can see in list, if we do not pass anything to the pop method, it automatically deletes the last one, the last value of the of the list. But in pop method, i- in dictionaries, if we do not pass anything, it will throw an error. uh, Let me show it to you. See, it will throw an error. So here you can see that it expected at least one argument, so we have to pass a key. Okay, now let's move to pop python method. Okay, so here if I write d dot pop item. Okay, And now if I print my dictionary, see, it has removed favorite color. Okay, so what this pop item does is that it randomly deletes the values, it randomly deletes the key value pair from the dictionary. As you can see that it has delete favorite color right now, but if you will run program again, maybe it will delete the name or it will delete the age. Okay, so it randomly deletes any key value pair. Okay, so you do not have to pass any parameter to it. So hope it's clear. Okay, now there's one more method, update method. So here we will write update. Okay, now suppose I have two dictionaries. Okay, so I have taken two dictionaries here. Let me close this. So here in my dict we have name Adrika, age, name and age. Okay, so let's remove this one off right now. Okay, and then we have nudie, right? So here what can I do is, here we have to write my dict, the first dictionary name, this one, and then we will write dot update, and then in brackets we will write new d, the name of new dictionary. Okay, and here we will write my dict. Okay, so if I'll run it, you'll see that both the dictionaries are combined, right? So let me just comment these all things out so that it is more clear to you. Okay, so see, both the dictionaries have been combined. So here, oh, it's 114. Okay, so see, now both the dictionaries have been combined, right? But as you can see that there is only one key named name, right? And there's only one value, Anika, because in a dictionary is a set of unique data, as I've told you earlier. So that's why the second key value pair has overlapped first key value pair. That's why the first name and its value is not there. Hope it's clear to you. And this is how we update the dictionaries. So we have to first pass the name of first dictionary and then dot update and then pass the name of new dictionary. Okay, so hope it's clear to you. So see you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.